Hi Pirates, this is Mrs. Newman, the Library Media Specialist here at Belton Middle School. I'm going to walk you through how you can get a library card at the Mid-Continent Public Library. This is really important during this time just because it gives you access to a lot of digital resources that we don't necessarily have in our own library here. So if you go to the Mid-Continent Public Library homepage, it's at mymcpl.org. Then you will see that down here in these little blue buttons, there is a Get a Library Card button. So you'll click that. Then you'll scroll down to where it says Register Online because we can do this all online. Now, when you go to put your birth date in, if you are already 13, your page will look slightly different than if you are not yet 13. I'm going to show you what it would look like if you are under the age of 13, but I'll explain the differences. It's not much. So I'm going to put my daughter's birth date in so that you can see what it looks like for someone under the age of 13. So the only difference here is that there is a parent and legal guardian information for those who aren't yet 13. If you are, you will just have your registrant information. If you're not, you just have to put in a little more information for your parents. So you'll go through and you will fill in everything that has an asterisk next to it. So you have to select a title, so you can put yourself as Miss or Mr. because you're not yet married. You'll put your first name, middle name, last name. You're going to put your street address, your city, state, and zip code. Where it says preferred location for hold pickup, that's not all that important if you're not planning on actually going to the library and picking up any physical copies. But they do have locations all over. I like to use either the Grandview or the Lee Summit location just because they're closest. So you could put one of those in. You have to choose one, so just choose one of those. Then if you have to fill out the parent or legal guardian information, you can choose one of your parent or legal guardian names to put here. You put their first name, you put their last name, and then you can just click same as registrant above for all of the rest of this, for the address, and it'll fill it in for you. Then for the email, I know it's under this parent or legal guardian category, but I want you to put your email in, your school email. That way you have access to your library card because it's going to email it there. So go ahead and put your school email here, and then you'll have to re-enter it to confirm it. And then they want a phone number, so you could put a parent's phone number there. Then you're going to click this button that you're applying and that you promise to take care of anything that you are borrowing from the library. Once you have it all filled in, this register for card button will be lit up and you'll be able to click it. This is the screen that shows up next, and it tells you that you've been accepted. There's just one more thing you have to do, and that is confirm your account. So it tells you that they need to confirm your email address. So now you're going to go to your school email, and you follow the directions there to complete your registration. So you will have an email in your inbox that looks something like this. All they ask you to do is to click the link to activate your new card. And then once you click that link, it will open up and your card will be there. I suggest that you take a screenshot of this, and then I like to just put it on my desktop so that my card is always available to me. If you have any questions or need any help with this, please don't hesitate to reach out.